Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413, back for another one.
I see you haters I see you haters. I'm getting away.
It's gonna be a good one today, I'm hoping. So guys, today I'm going to go meet up with A. Gonna do some riding with A. Haven't rode with him for a little while, so you guys been asking about him, so I talked to him and said, yo, I need to ride with you. You know what I'm saying? The subscribers is missing you. And if this is your first time here, welcome. This is the moto vlogging masterpiece, brought to you by King Joffy Joe 413, on Instagram King Joffy Joe 420. But I actually did record a couple other videos. I went out like last week. Actually, I went on a Friday. I'm a part of this group on Facebook called Bear Bros of Mass. So I did a couple rides, dropping off a couple beer baskets to a couple of guys, and I did a whole video about it. But what happened was my mic adapter wasn't working, so I had no sound through that whole video. So, but luckily, when I bought my mic adapter, they were out of stock, so I went to like 3 different websites and purchased 3 different ones, and then they came in stock, and then I ended up getting 3 of them. So I used one and I had 2 backups, so good thing. Thankfully for that, I had a backup, and I'm back at it. I didn't have to wait and order one and wait, so I'm gonna be able to give you guys some content today. I could have posted those videos, but didn't have no sound. And none of the artists that I'm around here lately have been giving me no music. Like I can get music from them, but non-edited music. And you know what I'm saying? All those N words and B words and F words. I know some of you guys don't like it, so I didn't get it. Let's throw a little music on for this ride. Jim Jones, people. Black Lives Matter, guys. You gotta stand what you stand for. Represent what you stand for.
To take the land with the spirits of the Haitians, we take the power of the land back. This 40 got so much power, man, I think you should stand back. Every time we dig,
you already know Adidas all the time.
We need more than reparations, man.
Yeah, can't you understand that? America with 3 Ks.
Like loading up 3 Ks. They've been burning priests down on CNN for the past 3 days. That's why every time we see that murder on media
replay. Said when the looting starts, his exact words, that's when the shooting starts. We've been on looting. That was marching. Handful of bit of gas. Half of the year passed.
moving like a
Philip movie. Do we?
Keep it moving like a close seat. I grew up eating hot wings and bumping Gucci. On the block ain't had no OG to school me. We just yelling what's up.
Like School D.
We hit the mall and we balled
All day.
I really know drops was good, honest in the safe. My nigga ain't a J, but he be running with that K. And you might take a L just for running out your face. Still the little dog, good therapist. My life is VVS. I practice clarity. I practice what I preach. I'm living what I teach. Was looking down now, they looking up to me. Clearly got me fucked up. Taking out the trash on your ass, I get rid of bad friends like a dump truck. Everything I've been through is everything I am. What the fuck you think this is? Think I looked up. Still down to earth, never stuck up. Breathing on my extra weight like a tum-tum. I sacrifice most of my time so my daughter can take vacations and bum fuck. Riding through Atlanta on a off day. Hoping that nobody double cross me. Hit up Keisha, how you see parlay? Cause he ain't make it to the
At the party.
Hey, spin the block, cause it's hot, keep it watch. 6 o'clock, top of 3rd Street garage. Yeah. I used to walk around and come right in Kirkwood. And snack bar, red a fool, real good. I was living like a fool, breaking all the rules. Best of both worlds, cause a nigga went to school. I was rapping like a bitch, singing to your girl. Might be quiet, baby, but I'm ready to rock your world, yeah.
I got my camel hump, guys. Got the camel hump. Gotta have your camel hump. So I hate hydrated on these hot days like this.
wants to congratulate the entire class of 2020.
Congratulations.
The world is yours.
Get it if you can.
So now's the time to make a difference and show us what you got. We need you. Hot 937.
Hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I don't wanna start at the top.
Something got him, babe.
You know I like when you ready. If I hit it front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. And she got a best friend. Spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound.
Shit, hot as fuck. It's good, boy. Y'all see A boy, this boy A got a comfort seat? Ooh, lucky motherfucker. That boy A got the comfort seat. Yeah, I hit somebody. See the hand? Splatter everywhere. Blood everywhere. Running people over. Huh? I know, right? It's freaking super hot out here. I hate it. Thank you. Thank you. Hell yeah, camel hump. Too hot out here. Oh yeah, do.